How to make your own vanilla bean extract using very few ingredients and just some simple tools. You'll need a cutting board, a sharp knife, your Madagascar vanilla bean, some glass jars with a funnel, and your vodka. I also use gloves so that when I slice the vanilla bean stalk and open it up, the gum-like consistency is a little sticky, and I want to get all the remnants of the vanilla bean into my glass jar for the elixir and not stuck to my hands. When you slice open the vanilla bean, immediately the smell just takes you away. It's so delicious. The air is drinkable. You just want to inhale it. So this is going to be a harmonious experience for you. I love making as much as I can homemade because I know what's in the ingredients. It's safe, trusted, and this is a great thing to make for gifts and for your own home pantry. I ordered the glass jars on Amazon. They came with a little funnel and some stickers for labeling. I bought the vodka at the local liquor store. It doesn't really matter the quality because it's going to open up and extract and make the elixir what it needs to be. When you cut the vanilla bean and put the stalks in the glass jar, it's really going to depend on the size of your glass jar. I put about 3 or 4 stalks that I cut in half and exposed into each jar. You're going to want these to sit for several weeks to have the most concentration of the vanilla. So when I was finished pouring the vodka and closing up the jar, I put them back in the original box and set them in my food pantry, which is in a cool place and the door is shut so that it is dark, but the box keeps it also dark. And then I went in once a week, once every other week, and I gently shook the glass jar to expose more vanilla bean and to mix up the elixir. You don't want to shake it violently, just a little gentle shake. The longer it sits, the more concentrate, the better the flavor. I do a lot of baking, so I wanted my own in my pantry, but also the holidays were around the corner, a few months away, and I wanted to give these where they can use them right away. So, homemade vanilla bean extract. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give them as gifts, keep them for yourself, and restock as much as possible. Bon appetit. Disconnect. Subscribe to this channel, like and follow for more.